Aqua Consultants have developed a method for predicting the interruptions to water supply. We have created a wireframe that shows how these predictions could be displayed at a central control room. This will enable water companies to manage the Interruption to Supply ODI Performance Indicator. The preemptive management of ODIs has been driven by the realignment of the financial incentives and penalties by Ofwat for AMP7. To create analytics that can predict interruptions, historical datasets from a variety of DMAs are reviewed and analysed. This allows the creation of the necessary algorithms that identify warning indicators that typically precede potential performance failures. Here we can see variation in flow readings. Our algorithm has identified distinctive data anomalies, shown as red and yellow indicators, that lead up to an interruption event in green. This algorithm can then be applied to real-time data feeds to look out for the same anomalies and predict interruptions before they happen. Further relevant metrics, such as alarm status, pressure, weather, and pipe condition, are also analysed to identify individual and combination risk indicators. These indicators are then used to create risk weighting of the likelihood of an incident or failure occurring, classified as red or amber warnings. A wireframe has been developed to show a potential system for presenting predicted interruption warnings to a user. The system will repeatedly scan telemetry data as it becomes available. When the system detects any typical precursors to an interruption, a warning is displayed on the map showing the location of the potential interruption. The warning can be shown as a coloured dot on the map. The colour will indicate the severity of the warning. To help the user focus on warnings of interest, a filter can be applied, for example, to show only red warnings. For each warning, the user can click on the indicator and be shown details relating to the warning. The underlying data and mathematical analysis that led to the warning can also be shown. An alternative view would be to show a regional breakdown of the supply area. Regions that contain warnings will be highlighted in red or amber to show the severity of the warning. Users can select regions and zoom in to a particular area for a more detailed breakdown. This type of view can show which areas are in particular need of attention. The bottom section of the screen can display various information, such as a summary of warnings over a monitored period, a list of the most recent warnings, or a region tree, showing a hierarchical view of the regions and allowing users to easily see which areas represent the highest risk. A status panel would show a snapshot of current warnings. An early warning system, such as this, has the potential to reduce interruptions to supply and other performance commitments, such as leakage and customer contacts. This, in turn, would reduce costs and significantly improve customer experience.